Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the English Room. My name is Emma, and today we are going to practice English together. Not grammar, not difficult vocabulary, just simple English speaking practice, step by step. So wherever you are right now, maybe you're drinking coffee, relaxing at home, walking outside, or getting ready for bed, take a deep breath and enjoy this moment with me. Today is day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. And this challenge is very simple. You listen, you repeat, you speak English out loud. That's it. No pressure, no stress, no perfect English needed. Because fluency does not come from being perfect. Fluency comes from practice, little by little, every single day. And today, we will use one of the most powerful methods for improving spoken English, shadowing. Now, maybe you're wondering, Emma, what is shadowing? Great question. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and then repeat it immediately after the speaker. You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the emotion, and the natural flow of English. Think of it like singing along to music. At first, it feels slow and awkward, but after some practice, your mouth becomes more comfortable, your listening improves, and your English starts sounding more natural. So today, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin your English shadowing practice together. I am happy to practice English today. I am happy to practice English today. I speak English a little more every day. I speak English a little more every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I enjoy learning new English words. I enjoy learning new English words. I can improve with practice. I can improve with practice. I listen carefully when people speak English. I listen carefully when people speak English. I feel more confident today. I feel more confident today. I practice English even when I feel tired. I practice English even when I feel tired. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Every small step helps me improve. Every small step helps me improve. Amazing job! You've already completed your first 10 shadowing sentences. And honestly, that's something to feel proud of. Remember, you do not need to sound perfect. The goal today is simple. Open your mouth, use your voice, and become comfortable speaking English. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English completely over time. So keep going. You're doing great. I want to speak English naturally and clearly. I want to speak English naturally and clearly. Learning English is part of my daily life. I feel proud when I understand English. I learn something new every time I practice. My English becomes stronger every day. Speaking slowly is completely okay. I trust my English learning journey. Practice helps me become more fluent. I can communicate better with every lesson. I enjoy becoming a better English speaker. Wonderful work. Take a small breath, relax your shoulders, maybe drink a little water. You're halfway through today's challenge, and you're doing amazing. By the way, if you're enjoying this practice, write in the comments, "I can do this," because yes, you absolutely can. Now, let's continue together. I am becoming more confident when I speak English. I am becoming more confident when I speak English. I do not need perfect English to communicate. I do not need perfect English to communicate. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. I am creating strong English habits every day. I am creating strong English habits every day. Listening and speaking together improves my fluency. Listening and speaking together improves my fluency. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. I can express my thoughts in English. I can express my thoughts in English. My pronunciation improves every time I practice. My pronunciation improves every time I practice. I will continue improving step by step. I will continue improving step by step. This is only the beginning of my English journey. This is only the beginning of my English journey. And just like that, you completed day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. I'm really proud of you. Not because you were perfect, but because you showed up today. That matters. English fluency is not built in one night. It grows slowly through daily practice, patience, and consistency. So come back tomorrow for day 2, and let's continue improving together here at the English Room. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson.